Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to log out from Roblox on your iPhone. So let's start. First, open the Roblox app. This is the home screen of the app. Now tap on three dots on bottom right corner. Now scroll down to the bottom and you will see the logout option. But before logging out, you have to remember your username. Now scroll up and tap on Profile and you will see your username here. Now go back. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on Logout. And if it is your new account, then you have to enter your email address before logging out. Or else you can skip this process by tapping on Skip Logout Anyway. I'll just do that. I'll tap on Skip Logout Anyway. And it will immediately log you out. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.